adventurers! Get ready for an exciting adventure and fun. Let's begin our magical journey together.
My Amazing Adventure Storybook. Once upon a time, there was a shiny red apple. The apple lived on a tall tree. One morning, a tiny ant came marching by. "Hello, apple," said the ant. "Would you like to have an adventure?" "Yes," smiled the apple. Just then, an aeroplane flew high in the sky. "Hop in," said the aeroplane. The apple and the ant flew over an alligator resting near the river. They landed beside a friendly ape. The ape waved happily and gave them a sweet apricot to eat. Nearby stood an anchor beside a little boat. "Amazing!" laughed the ant. As the sun went down, everyone shouted, "A for apple, ant, alligator, aeroplane, ape, apricot, anchor." Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.